How to find linked devices on Signal app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how can you find linked devices on Signal app. But before that, make sure that the application is completely updated. So if not, head over to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Signal and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So in my case, the application is completely up to date. I'm just gonna go ahead and press the open button and log into my Signal account. When you're logged in, you could see the interface something like this. After which, what you want to do is click the initials or the profile from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and under your username or the information you could see there's this section as linked device. Just make sure to press the linked device option, and then you could find the devices that your account is linked to. Now currently I don't have any of the devices or any of my account linked to any other devices, so you could see a different interface as yours. So here you could go ahead and see the linked devices, and if you want to unlink it, just press the unlink button and then follow the prompt. You'll be able to unlink, as well as this is the way to find linked device on Signal app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.